Hello everyone. This is a video. I'm going to introduce you to our class for online presentation. It is Biology 692 Research. So the purpose of this video is to introduce you to the class. I'll give you an introduction of myself and I'll go over the layout of the class so you can become familiar with this online environment. My name is Dr. Anthony Overton. I'll be your instructor. I am the chair of the Biological and Environmental Sciences Department. You can find my office in Carver Complex, room 200 in the Thomas Wing. My contact information is posted on Blackboard and posted throughout the course, so you can contact me directly. Generally, I will respond back to emails within 24 hours of receipt. Okay, so here we are. Here's the course syllabus and topical outline. As I mentioned, all of my information is here. There is no, I have a suggested text, but if you get it, fine. If not, not a big issue. I will provide you all of the information you need on Blackboard. This course is here's the course description. Basically, I'll give you some very basic tools and some advanced tools for conducting research in biological sciences. You'll be able to use these tools in your thesis and subsequent employment and throughout your classes. I have also here highlighted the student learning outcomes. This is on your syllabus. It's also posted throughout Blackboard, but you can read these outcomes and we will address all of these outcomes in our online class. This class is taught totally online, so there's no need for you to come to campus. You can come to campus if you want, or if you're able to utilize the library. If not, you should be able to utilize your local library. Okay, as I mentioned, I want to get down to here. Here are the grading policies. Our course is divided into modules. We have 8 modules for this course. The due dates will vary. Well, the duration of time you're given to complete this module varies based on the content of the modules, but you will complete all 8 modules in the allotted time. And then we also have class participation, which is primarily through discussion board questions that I'll post on Blackboard. I'll show you there later. So here are our 8 learning modules. The first module is an introduction. You're going to create a personal biography. This is a way that you introduce yourself to the class and myself. You learn about developing a curriculum vitae, which is the same as a resume. Develop a personal website. I imagine many of you all have not done that, but we'll do that in our first module. Second module is getting familiar with your scientific interest. I want to know, what drives you in science? Why are you in biological sciences? We'll learn about using the library, creating annotated bibliographies, using a specific software to manage all of your biographies and all of your scientific papers. I'll also have module 4 where you're using getting to know Excel, getting to know your data, how to graph. Also, module 5 is selecting a research topic and developing a topic outline. Module 6 is the editorial process. We'll learn about how scientific papers are created, how they're developed, and the process of which they go through. You're also going to be developing a term paper that you'll submit to an editorial board. I'll show you that. And then also we have module 8 where you have a final draft of your term paper in response to the editorial board comments. So let's move over to Blackboard so I can show you the structure of the class and how it's laid out on Blackboard. Here we are at Blackboard, and all of your navigational panes are here on the left hand side. And so the one that you're probably going to be using the most are assignment modules. And so you can click on the modules, and all of your modules and their due dates are located here. So there's a lecture video to each one of the modules. One of the things I want to point out is that the due dates will be listed at each one of these, and each again, like I said, each lecture has a video where I'll give you background information. I'll also go over the student learning outcomes, which are listed on each module, and I'll also give you some direction on how to go about submitting your information online and completing your assignment. But each module has an assignment. Your grades will be posted after you complete your module. I will grade those within 3 to 5 days of receiving the final grade. Any late work will only receive at most 50% of the total value. So I do accept late work, but if it's beyond the due date, the max you can get on it is 50%. So there are no quizzes or tests in this class. They're all your grades come from your learning modules. So again, I keep this Blackboard page up to date, and I communicate with you through Blackboard. What I also suggest is that if you want to communicate with me, that you communicate through Blackboard by you click over here in Tools, and you can go here and send an email, and you can send the email to the instructors here. And so that way, I do that because I receive a lot of emails because I'm the chair, and I like for all of the emails from all of the users to have a specific spot on my computer. It helps me in responding back to your questions at a quick pace. So here, this should give you a nice introduction to the class. We'll have some fun. You're going to learn a lot of different techniques. And this concludes the introduction to Biology 692 research. Thank you.